A lawyer vanishes with $22,000, a horse business collapses, and a judge calls it a beautiful scenario of total disaster.
But it actually has gone through that process, and then there.
Yeah, and so I just want to make sure that we're clear. So there's the foreclosure sale on the property at issue on the 4th. My client's personal house is also subject to another upcoming foreclosure sale.
That's a different one. Okay. And so you have to remind me, how long is that redemption? That's not a 6-month redemption, is it? Going to be.
I believe it's 3, but
3. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Go ahead. You were.
I filed this motion. So
back in June of 2025 was the last rent payment, and it was a partial payment. That was the water heater. Subsequent to that, until this court directed Ms. Tope and defendants to submit money to the court's escrow, I believe there was the subject of a number of hearings prior to this that Ms. Tope had an escrow account personally where she was maintaining monies of some sort for June until, because I have, for example, as of March, a total outstanding rent due of $48,691.04.
There used to be, well, I'm sure there's got to be a way of doing that, but I just don't know how that is. Because you guys are never going to see, let's put it this way, you guys are never going to see that. Have you asked her for the money back?
They're not.
I don't think that money's there. I think that's the money that was used for replacing the sheds and all of that. So, okay, no, I'm never going to get more money back.
Here's the problem. Okay. And just follow this here. Guys, he's got an Alabama shirt on. Tackle him. No, I'm kidding. Under the terms of the lease, which is the basis upon which I indicated the monies, you have to pay them. That money should have been paid over the point.
Money should have been paid every month.
Been paid over to the plaintiff.
Been paid for that. Or what do I do with it? I'm toiling with that because also, which is also part of the hearing that I adjourned to the 17th, and why I would be reluctant to let counsel out right at this moment in any event, although it may be moot, is because the bond that I set up, that would be money that Ms. Tope may pay in, was specifically going to be directed toward attorney fees that were being exponentially imploded because of Ms. Tope's action. I'm going to ask you guys to just give me a few minutes. I'm going to step off because my problem